Okay, here is my chicken coop. As per usual, there's a cat on top of it. But today I'm going to put some dried lavender stems in the nesting box, or the laying box, excuse me. I'm not going to replace all the bedding, but I'm going to, you can see, just put it right on top. So here's the inside. Right now I have just some like wood chips, sawdust mix. You can see little bits of paper because I've had shredded paper in here before. And then underneath their roosting ledge I have straw. But if you put lavender down in here, not only will it make this area smell good, but also if you have a hen that's broody, they'll eat little bits of like the buds and stuff. And this is really good for them. It has like antimicrobial properties. It also helps keep bugs away. And so people will be like, oh, don't you want bugs near your chickens? Well, yeah. Over here, where they're at, they're eating some scraps, they're foraging for bugs, but I don't want bugs in here by the eggs, for no particular reason other than I don't like bugs. So this size of nesting box, it's just one big one, but it's about the size of two. Like if it was divided in half, it would be two. So just to give you an idea, I'm using 3 dried bundles. So my family has a lavender farm, Roberts Ferry Lavender Farm in Waterford, California. You can look us up. And basically these bundles were used for like sachets or culinary. These particular ones are for sachets. So we get all the buds off, put them in little bags, sell them as sachets, and then these are just the dried stems. Here's another cat. They're always around the chicken coop. They love the chicken coop for whatever reason, but they don't get the chickens, thankfully. So this is 3 bundles. This would be a good amount for 2 laying boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread it out. And I'm going to do that really quick with 2 hands because it's easier, and then I'll show you when it looks pretty. Okay, so I got that all spread out. 2 hands is easier than 1, but you can see I just laid it right on top. And now it already smells great in here. You can see little bits of the buds fall off. If the chickens are in here for any amount of time, they will peck at this and eat some. And then if you don't like it, like just flat like this, which is fine, the chickens will lay their eggs on it. It's soft enough for them. But if you, for whatever reason, want to break it down and you have a lot of them, you can put them on your grass, run it over with a lawnmower. If you have a small like backyard wood chipper, you do that, or you can just go and snap them and break them by hand if you wanted them in smaller pieces. But yeah, that's how it works. And every time you come out to get eggs, it will smell wonderful like lavender. And now we got both kitty cats up here and a hawk. Those dang hawks try to get the chickens. We had 4 little ones. They were much smaller than that, and the hawks got 2 of them. Now we're left with 2, but I think they're big enough to where the hawks will leave them alone, but I think they still like to peruse and see if there's any new fresh chicks.